Happy morning. I welcome you all to this online session. Let's learn about first chapter, Introduction to Computers. Today's class we will discuss about what is meant by computer and what are the various generations of computers. See here, do you know who is he? His name is Charles Babbage. He called it as father of our computer. Why? Because he invented a device, analytical engine, in 1937. This device contained the following parts: arithmetic and logical unit, control unit, and integrated memory. For the input, they used punched cards here. This device leads the way to invent general purpose computer. So he is called it as father of computer. Okay, next we will learn what is meant by the term computer. Computer means nothing but it is an electronic device that we know already. This device gets input from the user to process the data. Once the process completed, it produces the result as the output form. Next here, data. That means unprocessed data before doing process, otherwise going to do process. It can be anything: name of the person, place, weight, price, cost, number of the items, employee name, product name, like that. Next term, information. This is the data that has been processed in such a way as to be meaningful to the person who receives it. So see here, Kavita is 19 years old. So it gives a complete information to the receiver. Do you understand? Okay. Next we will move on. Generations of computer. First generation computers. Here used vacuum tubes as a circuitry and magnetic drums for memory. It was so big in size, literally taking up the entire room. Here used inefficient materials, so it produced lot of heat and sucked huge electricity too. This generation computers relied on machine language. Do you understand? Next, second generation, replacement of vacuum tubes. Here used transistor. Transistor make the computer smaller, faster, cheaper, and less heavy on electricity use. They are used punched cards for input and printouts. Next, third generation. Here, transistors were now being miniaturized and put on silicon chips. That is called it as semiconductor or integrated circuits. These circuits increase the speed and efficiency of the machine. Leap up from punched cards. Here used monitor and keyboard to interact with the machine with operating system. Do you clear now? Next, fourth generation. First generation computers smaller in size and faster too, then portable, you can carry to any place. Thousands of integrated circuits makes a microprocessor. This single chip can able to contain input output, control unit and processor. This generation, the first ever IBM computers were specially designed for home use. Do you understand? Next one is fifth generation. Here we used parallel processing. That means simultaneously we can do many processes. In this generation, computer devices with artificial intelligence are still in development. This generation will be using molecular and nanotechnologies to create a machine can process and respond to natural language. That means the capability to do, learn and organize themselves. Next, sixth generation in future. Here they try to introduce voice recognition. That means a computer to take dictation and recognize words. Computer have the ability to learn variety of advanced algorithms. Here used nanotechnologies and also the continuation of natural language processing. Next, robotics. That means it involves design, construction, operations and use of robots. Thank you.